Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cindy and today I will be showing you part of the new Dior 2020 holiday collection. I was at Saks picking up something else. I just happened to walk by the Dior counter and they had just gotten it in, like they were just unpacking it, and I look forward to this collection every single year, and specifically I look forward to this one item, and it's the lipstick set. I get the lipstick set every single holiday, and Dior did something a little different this year. They actually came out with a saddle version of it, and I'll link my review for it. I got it from Nordstrom during the anniversary sale. So this is still available. It's a zip clutch that zips all the way around, and then I already took the insert out. It comes with 4 of these Dior Addict Stellar Shine lipsticks, and they still have it at some locations, so check out that video if you're interested in this pink color with the saddle design. But the holiday collection looks like this. So this is the box for this year. It's called the Dior Rouge Golden Nights, and the design this year is like a snowflake design, and so this is it right here. So you can see it has like, it's almost like shooting stars, but instead of stars it's snowflakes, and it just is so cute. And this is the 3rd year that I've gotten this. What I love about this specific item is that it's a zip clutch with the same thing, the same 5 lipsticks, and the case, they're refillable lipsticks. There's the mirror. The insert is removable, so you can use this as a kind of like a clutch bag. They raised the price of it. This year it's $180. The prior years it was $175, and then I think $170 before that. This was last year's, so it's kind of a similar, you know, their Dior signature star design. And then the year before that was this silver Dior. It's a little more like a modern, edgy design. But yeah, I love this. I mean, the lipsticks are fine. This year I haven't really been wearing lipsticks because of, you know, what's been going on, and you have to wear a mask everywhere. So because of that, I prefer actually the Stellar Shine lipsticks from the pink saddle lipstick set, because these were more of a kind of like a tinted lip balm. They were more hydrating, but I'll show you what it looks like. So it comes with 5 lipsticks. It has these ribbons here that tell you the numbers, and yeah, it just is such a great design. And what's great is this insert here is foam, and it removes easily. I already removed it in last year's design. So this is the insert. You can see it's like a foam. There's the little inside of it. And so what's great is that this is such a great size because it fits everything you need. It fits your phone, it can fit your keys, the lipstick, and then you zip it up and you are good to go. So I actually use this as kind of like a catch-all pouch within my larger tote bags. I, you know, take the insert out and then I just keep what I need, like my essentials in here, and then I can just kind of grab it and go. I will post screenshots of the entire collection. They're a little blurry. You know, there are a lot more items coming. Another part of the collection that I really like are the card cases. And I call them card cases. They're not actually card cases, they're smaller palettes. So this was from last year, and same thing, it has a mirror, and this one is eyeshadows, and then this is the same thing but with 3 eyeshadows and 2 lipsticks. This I use as a card case, and I'll link the video again for that. But the insert, same thing, the insert comes out and the inside is a perfect size for just a stack of credit cards or whatever other cards you have. So I use these as card cases also, and so it's basically kind of like a wallet. I just love this collection because as much as I love the makeup, the actual cases make such great, you know, SLGs. And so for $180, you get the 5 lipsticks, and then you get what essentially is a Dior bag. So even for the people who maybe don't wear lipstick, you know, get this, gift these lipsticks to someone else, and then just use the bag. Or if you're looking for a gift for someone who maybe loves Dior, you know, you can gift them this, and you have the Dior kind of logo, and it comes with lipsticks, and it's a nice little set. Here is the zipper. I still have the plastic on it because, again, I just got this yesterday, but there it's a Dior. Same thing as the prior years. It's just the Dior zipper pull. The material is pretty sturdy, I would say. This hasn't gotten scratched. The material in the newer design feels a little softer than this. So I don't know if you can see. So this is, you know, it's still smooth. It's not quite like a Chanel caviar material, but you can tell if you feel it that this is softer. And so, and not only that, but what I liked about last year's design are these kind of metal embellishments are actual, I don't know if it's metal, but acrylic or, you know, harder plastic. And this, you can see the studs. You can see that it's kind of like studded inside. These star designs on this year and the CD Those are kind of embellishments that you can feel they're kind of sticking out, but this stuff is kind of just gold print, like a gold foil. And this too, like this would have been so cool if this was an actual studded design, kind of like this one, but it's not. It's just very flat, you see. So you can see, can you see there? You can see that some of it is studded, but then some is just a gold flat design, whereas last year's was all studs. So just something to note. I still think it's a great value for what you're getting. I think they are skimping a little bit on maybe the quality, but again, this isn't an actual SLG, and it's not leather. It's just the case to house the lipsticks. I definitely recommend this for yourself. Get it for a gift. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on there. Whenever this becomes available, I will post a link to it with my swipe up. They also go on sale occasionally. Sometimes the department stores will have, you know, like a $50 off $250 promo or something. And so this is $180. So you know, just add something else that you maybe have been eyeing, and then you'll get $50 off. Or sometimes these stores will run a 15 or 20% off beauty event. So you can always wait for the right time. However, with these, I don't recommend waiting because these usually sell out. So the new Dior Rouge Golden Nights 2020 holiday collection. I will follow up with more of the collection. I do plan on picking up some more items. It's such a great gift. I love these. I collect these. I love them. So thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you plan on getting this, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.